Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
There are even more reasons to buy a BlendJet portable blender this holiday season. In addition to amazing power for a blender that you can take with you anywhere, it charges up via USB-C and chops through ice or frozen fruit. There is a new partnership with Disney and Pixar, mixing in characters like Buzz, Woody, Elsa, Olaf, aliens, Mickey, and Minnie. Great fun, and we'll get more kids enthused about healthy smoothies too. CEO Ryan Pamplin.
Mickey and Minnie, quite classic and just really nice design, really high quality coating on here. It's not going to come off.
The BlendJet gets daily use here and holds up beautifully. The new Disney and Pixar premium models sell for about $70. Find more at blendjet.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.